Hi, everybody. Dr. David Silverman here again. I'm on ASEA's Medical Professionals Board answering some of the most common questions that people have, and one has to do with athletics. You know, it's proven what this product does for the performance of athletes and their recovery. Double-blind studies show this. We have Olympic gold medalists on this product. There's a website, ASEAathletes.co. Take a look at that. But everybody's an athlete. If you get out of bed in the morning and you go to work, you're doing exercise, right? Some people are weekend warriors. Some are just normal people just trying to live their lives. Everybody wants more energy. But for athletes, from what I understand from the elite athletes and what I do myself, and I'm not a major athlete, but things that I do, I drink it in the morning and I drink it at night, right? Like everybody else. I drink 4 ounces in the morning and 4 ounces at night. That's 120, it's 120 ml in the morning, 120 ml at night. And people will drink between half of that and that amount generally. Athletes do that, but then also before and after their exercise, whatever they're doing, their activity, they do it. In the US, it comes in little sports pouches. Athletes will carry it with them and they'll just sip on it. The more, the better, right? The gel people use, like if you play golf, you know, you want your back to be limber. I put it on my low back before I play. I don't drink the liquid then because that's not a real exercise. If I was playing tennis, I probably would. I mean, it's exertion. But athletes love the gel because it just loosens up tissues. If there's ache or achiness or stress, they put it on the area, right? As many times as they want. So this is not rocket science using this product. You know, the more the better. And for athletes, again, before and after seems to be to accentuate their performance, but also expedite their recovery by doing it that way. So I hope this is helpful to you.